guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that little stint. I had to go back and basically re-record it because, as you can see, I ended up drinking quite a lot and making a lot of mistakes, and by the end of it I was speaking utter gobbledygook. So I'm going to try again. Now this is already my second take. It's just an excuse to have a drink, so I've already opened this once, but oh well, never mind, it's a smaller glass, so let's pour it out. So as you can see, it ends up with quite a nice beer. I mean, it's poured quite nicely. It looks pretty damn nice. It's got a little bit of fizz to it. I carbonate it slightly less than other people, because I know that other people like quite a lot of carbonation relatively in a beer. I don't like that. Like I said in previous videos, I like to drink my drink and not spend all my time belching, so it's pretty light on the carbonation, but still, it's got a good head. Looks pretty. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is nectar of the gods. Really good. It is good. So, for your information, this video? Oh god damn it, it's already begun. So this beer ended up finishing at 1.010. Now, for some that's a bit high, but at the same time, these beer kits individually finish at 1.005, approximately. Usually slightly over, but you know, you got to work with what you got. But it did actually finish where it said it would. Now 2 kits put together have double the amount of infermentable sugars, which gives it its residual sweetness that you can't really taste normally. And it's the same in this. You can't taste the sweetness. It counteracts the hops that are already in there and gives it a lovely, like, malty, tasty taste. I mean, that's all I can really say. I mean, you can't taste sweetness. What you can taste is basically like a really good sort of Scottish export. My favourite one happens to be Tennant's, so it's pretty damn good. You don't get the sweetness, you just get a really kind of full-bodied beer. A bit like the Scottish export, but not watery. It has more flavour, it has more body. It actually tastes like a beer you would buy in a shop, in a pub, you know what I mean. You go to a bar, trendy one, and buy a real beer. And this is what you get. So, this was the simplest way of how to improve a beer kit. No need to add the hops, no need to boil, no need to do part mashes. And you end up with something that has a really good flavour. And this is the cheapest kit I could find. Mainly because new homebrewers are going to use it. Anyone that's been homebrewing for a while has already tried these and know they're pretty damn bad. So I've turned a cheap, horrible kit into something that I am more than happy to drink. It doesn't have that watered down taste that you get with beer kits. It is, it's good. Just the right amount of everything. It is pure nectar. It is so good. So I really hope this gives you some sort of inspiration to sort of experiment with your own kits. So I'm gonna leave it there before I end up drinking more and making complete gobbledygook again. So don't forget to comment, rate, like, share, of course, subscribe, check out the other videos, and I will catch you later, guys. Cheers.